Let's begin. Sound the letters P, E, P, pep. Spell the word pep. P, E, P. Pep. Great job. Sound the letters and say the word B, E, G. Beg. Now let's spell the word beg. B, E, G. Beg. Well done. Sound the letters T, E, N, 10. Spell the word 10. T, E, N. 10. Nice work. Sound the letters and say the word G, E, T. Get. Spell the word get. G, E, T. Get. Sound the letters N, E, T. Net. Spell the word net. N, E, T. Net. You are doing an amazing job. Sound the letters E, N, hen. Spell the word hen. H, E, N. Hen. Great job. Sound the letters P, E, N. Pen. Now let's spell the word pen. P, E, N. Pen. Well done. Sound the letters B, E, D. Bed. Spell the word bed. B, E, D. Bed. Nice work. Sound the letters and say the word L, E, G. Leg. Now let's spell the word leg. L, E, G. Leg. Excellent reading. Sound the letters R, E, D. Red. Spell the word red. R, E, D. Red. You are doing an amazing job.